Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY flower highlight like this super popular Lancome one. I'm sure you've seen it, everyone has reviewed it. It's beautiful. And if you don't know about it, basically all the petals just have highlighter. You swirl your brush around in there and then you highlight. And the highlight's not like super amazing, but the novelty of how beautiful this is just to have on your vanity is of course why people are going crazy over this. It's very expensive, it's $60. So if you'd like to see how to make your own one of these for much cheaper, please stay tuned. So the first thing that you need is a surface that you don't care about getting dirty, so this is just a piece of tissue paper. Then a hot glue gun. I bought mine at Walmart for a whopping $4.27. And it comes with all of this glue. I've been wanting a hot glue gun, so I'm excited to have that. Everything else I got right from Michael's. I bought a flower. Looks like this. I'm only going to use this one. I don't need the rest of this. It was marked $3.99, but Michael's stuff is always on sale. So I actually got it for $1.99. And then I bought a really pretty trinket box. So I thought this would be pretty to keep it in. And this one was marked $10, but I got it on sale for $5.99. And then the most important, oh no, scissors is another thing you need. I grabbed some paper towels in case I get messy. And then the last thing you need is a highlighter that you don't care about destroying. Let me tell you a little story about this NYX highlighter. I bought 2 of these in different colors and love them. Got them from Ulta.com, and then I went back and ordered this third one because I wanted it in the color Snow Rose. It came completely shattered. I returned it to the store, and of course they didn't have it in stock. So the next time I made an Ulta order online, I ordered this again. It came completely shattered. I don't know if you can tell in here, but it's all just powder. Now, they never have this at my local Sephora's, and every time I order it, it comes shattered. So that's where I got this idea to hold on to this and to make something out of it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this all over that fake flower that I just showed you inside the nice little container, and we will essentially be making our own Lancome flower highlighter. So, let me go heat up my glue gun, and I will be right back to show you how to do this. Okay, first things first, I'm just going to pop the flower right off of that, and then I want this to be able to sit in the jar. I already measured it. It's perfect. I did this when I picked it out, so that's how it will look. But this little nub needs to go away. I'm going to try to cut that off. Oh, that was super easy. Okay, so that should sit a little more flat in there. So this is the part where you need the glue gun. So I'm just going to put a little bit right on here. Now be careful with this. I just touched the metal and it is really hot. Alright, hopefully that's enough. I have actually never used a glue gun before. So let's just stick that right in there. Press down on the middle a little bit. Oh yeah, you can feel that it's sticking already. Make sure that you're as centered as you want to be or as possible. And then I'm going to put this aside and let it dry for a few minutes, and then I will come back and show you how to do the rest. It's gonna be so pretty. Oh, and this is how little sit on it. I'm just so excited. It's gonna be so cute. So I'll be back in a few minutes. Alright, hopefully this is dried enough. The flower is definitely not coming out. I don't know how long the glue takes, but I just waited like 5-10 minutes. Now, I really want my shattered highlighter to stick to the flower. So I think I'm going to spray it so it's just a teeny bit damp so this will stick to it. And then as the flower dries, this should also dry. This is just the Herbivore Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water face mist, and I mean you can use whatever you want. You probably just use some water. I just want to, like I said, dampen this a little bit so that the powder sticks. So I'm gonna just don't want to spray this in the powder. Okay. That's all I'm going to do, just 2 quick spritzes. That part's optional. And then I actually grabbed a makeup brush. This is just the Wet n Wild, I think it's the large eyeshadow brush. So I can kind of help brush it on where I want it. So let's just dip right in there and start putting it all over the petals. You don't have to like super coat these or anything. Remember, when you use it, you're going to be swirling your brush around inside. Kind of just want to dump this in here, but I don't want it to go like all around the sides and down into the bottom of the pot. That's kind of why I'm doing it this way. Alright, I'm going to try sprinkling some of this because I'm impatient. Ooh. Clump down. Alright guys, so not only am I impatient, but I really think this is probably the most that I can put on here without it getting like, you can kind of see on the edges this powder like everywhere. I don't want this to be a dusty mess. I want it to still be pretty. And I can tell you the reason why it's starting to look a little crazy is because this Lancome one is a whopping 1.6 grams, which is not very much at all. Whereas this NYX one is 6 grams. So, I mean, there's a heck of a lot more product here than in the Lancome one. So if you want your rose to still look, or your flower to still look pretty, I would not use this entire highlighter. You could make more than one using this if you wanted to use it all up. But I think that's going to be about all I can get in here without it starting to look kind of crazy. You can see how powder is kind of all over my hand and flicking out on the paper around, just from the amount that I have put. I mean, too much product is a good problem to have, but we want this to be cute still. So I am going to call it quits now. And then this brush is obviously covered in highlighter, so I'm going to go ahead and grab another brush. I'm going to wash my hands off, and then we're going to put some on with that brush so you can see how it picks up and if this actually worked. Alright guys, moment of truth. I've just got this Tarte fan brush. I'm going to go over the petals, and then, oh, hopefully you can see that. That picked up a good amount of product. Let's see if I can get a better. Let's get a little bit more. Yeah, I can see that. Hopefully you can. It's really pretty. Oh, that highlight though. So this is what you end up with, this really pretty flower that I can see the iridescence of it. I don't know if you can. Hopefully you can on camera. Obviously you can add more, you can add less, but I think this was a good amount. This works in there, and then you just put it like this on your vanity, and you've got your own little DIY Lancome blush. There you go. Remember to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, or if you like these types of videos, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye!